In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently print form submissions using a table interface. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to access and print your form entries, ensuring that you can easily maintain physical records for your needs. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the table where your form submissions are stored. This could be a part of a database, a spreadsheet application, or any other software that organizes data into tables. Once you have navigated to the right table, locate the form submissions you are interested in. It's always a good idea to ensure that the data is correctly sorted or filtered so you're viewing exactly what you need. Accurate and clear data helps avoid mistakes in the printing process and streamlines record keeping significantly. After you have your data laid out in front of you, the next step is to select the particular submission you wish to print. This might involve clicking on a specific row or cell within your table. Take a moment to verify that you've selected the correct entry, especially if there are multiple submissions with similar entry details. Double checking here can save you from printing incorrect information, which can often lead to confusion later on. Once the desired submission is highlighted, look for the print option within your tool's interface. The print icon typically resembles a small printer and is often located in a toolbar within your application. Clicking this icon initiates the print dialog. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+P, which is a universal command for opening the print dialog in most software systems. This shortcut can be a real time saver if you're frequently printing documents and want to speed up your workflow. At this point, you should see the print preview on your screen. This view allows you to review how the data will appear on the printed page. Here you can adjust settings such as the number of copies, orientation, landscape, or portrait, and any other specific print options your software might offer. Take your time to make sure everything appears as it should. Minimizing errors at this stage ensures that your printed document is both useful and professional in appearance. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and click the print button in the dialog to send your document to the printer. It's always a good practice to glance at your printer to confirm it's properly loaded with paper and has enough ink to complete the task. Once printed, double check the output to ensure all the information appeared correctly, and you're done. And there you have it, the easy way to print your form submissions. If you follow these steps, keeping a hard copy of vital information will be hassle-free and efficient every time. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.